If Microsoft Edge is giving you error 401, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get things working again. This kind of error usually shows up when Edge has trouble verifying your access, or when saved data, cookies, cache, or network information are causing conflicts. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tools. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. The first thing I want you to try is opening your login page in a private window. In Microsoft Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner, then select In Private Browsing. You can also use the keyboard shortcut if you want to move faster. Once the private window opens, go back to the website or service where you were getting the 401 error and try signing in again. This is useful because a private window starts fresh and does not use your existing browsing session, which can help you find out whether the issue is being caused by saved cookies or old session data. If the login works in a private window, that's a strong sign that the problem is related to your stored browser data. So the next step is to clear your browsing data in Microsoft Edge. To do that, click the three dots again, go to Settings, then look for Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down until you find Clear Browsing Data, and click Choose what to clear. From here, make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. If you want the cleanest reset for this issue, choose a time range like all time, so Edge removes the older data that may be causing the error. Then click Clear Now and wait for the process to finish. After that, close Microsoft Edge completely and open it again. Try signing in one more time and see whether the 401 error is gone. In many cases, clearing cookies and cache is enough to fix authentication problems because the browser will rebuild fresh session data the next time you visit the site. If you are still seeing the error after that, the next step is to flush your DNS cache. This helps clear out old network records that may be pointing your browser to outdated or incorrect connection information. To do this, click the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When the command window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Once that's done, restart Microsoft Edge again and try loading the page or logging in one more time. This final step can often fix stubborn connection or access issues, especially if the browser was holding on to old DNS information. So to quickly recap, first try logging in through a private window, then clear your cookies and cache from Edge's browsing data menu, and finally run ipconfig/flushdns in command prompt. These three steps solve a lot of Microsoft Edge 401 errors without needing any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy fix guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.